everyone, welcome back to another digital planner video. Today I am going to show you how to make a new color palette in ZoomNotes. So I'm just going to open one of my planners, and this is just some video ideas that I have. So I'm just going to go to here. So what you're going to do is, let me see if I can remember how to do this. I'm going to tap on that color, or tap on a pen, and I'm just going to tap on, is it that? There we go, yes, that was it. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on any pen, and then down here at the bottom right, tap on this arrow, and then down here at the bottom you have these different things, and I'm going to click on palettes. And now what I'm going to do is click up here on the top, this top left like plus sign, and this will create a new palette. And I don't know why this doesn't create a blank one. I am not exactly sure why. So what I'm going to do to take out the colors that I don't want from this palette, all you have to do is over here on the side, just tap and hold until you see it pop up, then just move it off. That's how you can take the colors off. And like I said, I don't know why it doesn't create just like a blank palette. I will probably have to get a hold of ZoomNotes and ask them how to do that, but this is the only way that I know how to do it at the moment. So what I normally like to do is my two base colors that I pretty much have in every single palette is black and white. And most usually just black is really my main color. Black or a really dark gray color. So once you have that, and you have just down to like 2 colors or no colors at all, then you can go to like one of these and create your own. I'm just going to go to this HSV, like the color wheel, and then you can just drag, let's drag this over here in the middle so I can see more of the color. I actually like that color. So what I'm going to do is tap and hold on this color and just bring it over to my color palette. And you can create all the colors that you want to put in that color palette. Tap and hold, drag over. You can even add multiple colors of the same color but different shades of that color. So let's just say I want to add a yellow, so I'm going to add a yellow. Let's go back up here and see if we can find like a, whoops. I really like that color. So we're going to add this color. I'm trying to think of more of like Halloween colors for this. Add more of a deeper red, and that is pretty much how you can create your own color palettes. I'm going to go back to here. You can even also name them. As you can see, the first one is my color palette that I like to use. I also have one called Pastels, and this one we can go in and call Halloween colors, or just whatever you want to call it. Return. And that is how you can name them and how you can create your own color palettes in ZoomNotes. I hope you guys like this video. And also stay tuned because I will be doing a review on the new GoodNotes 5 app. I do have it installed on my iPad. There are still some things, like I said, that I would like to personally have added to it. But maybe, you know, down the road they'll add on to it or whatever. But, so yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. And thank you for watching. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.